To make the greatest comeback of your life, focus on overcoming setbacks and reinventing yourself. True achievement often follows significant challenges, so it's crucial to cut out distractions, stop indulging in self-talk, and get back to work. This period of self-improvement should be seen as an apology to yourself for wasting time, holding yourself back, and sabotaging your success. If you're tired of feeling average and ready to change, this message is for you. It's time to release a new, more determined version of yourself. This updated version should be committed to goals despite fears and procrastination, ready to attack challenges with relentless drive. Reflecting on personal experience, it's clear that avoiding goals and indulging in distractions like social media and procrastination only hinders progress. Initially, fear of judgment and resistance to tasks led to avoidance and cheap distractions. The turning point came when realizing that avoiding hard tasks only led to regret and stagnation. To transform yourself, consider a few months of dedicated self-improvement. This approach doesn't mean becoming antisocial, but developing a focused, single-minded pursuit of your goals. Just like Sasuke from Naruto, who relentlessly trained to achieve his goals despite numerous setbacks, adopt a similar mindset of determination and focus. Sasuke's story illustrates the importance of a single-minded pursuit of goals. Despite immense challenges and failures, he remained focused on his objective, driven by a strong sense of purpose. Similarly, you should approach your goals with unwavering confidence, tackling every challenge with determination. Success requires more than just planning. It demands action. To build momentum, attack your goals with a focus and drive. Reinvent yourself by establishing a strong daily routine. Though it might sound cliched, having a structured routine can significantly